Looking at the screen, I know that it's not going to be an uphill move as we saw from 2020 lows,
Yes.
right? Those last 5 years have been a dream run.
Yeah.
Next 5 may not be like that.
Yes.
Looking at this global fall and looking what India has already sort of stomached from October up until Feb, March was a relief. But I also know that there is more pain to go. So as an investor, what do you do now? Do you go in complete capital protection mode if you didn't completely book out up until Feb?
So, I started investing in 94. 94 to 99, the market gave no returns. We're talking of 5 years. We had a tech boom bust for 1 year where only the tech stocks did well. The rest, economy did nothing. Those stayed there only. Reliance and the L&Ts of the world didn't move. We had a crash until 2003, there were no returns. So effectively from 94 to 2003, our markets gave no returns. I'm just saying, I come from a background where my baptism was on a bear market.
You haven't tasted blood then, right? You didn't know that the markets could do what they can in
But
months,
I know what it can do, right?
Why,
in hindsight,
exactly.
I lived through that. So I'm just saying that, we got used to markets giving returns every year. I'm not saying that we are entering a bear market or we're going to hear 10 years because these days cycles have shortened. So if there is an impact, the impact happens much faster than what used to happen. The cycles are much shorter. You get volatile moves.
Thank God.
And people digest it and move
from
on.
93 to 2000
But it can happen
beyond.
that you see a flat market or a mildly negative market or a slightly more negative market in 25. Maybe digest everything in 25. Look, our earnings have also been weak. Finally, the markets and the stocks are slaves of the earnings. If the earnings don't follow through, we have an issue. So our earnings were weak in FY24. Our earnings could get downgraded, will get downgraded in FY26. I think the current consensus is about 15%. I think we'll get possibly 8-9%. So you're
15
talking
8-9. FY26.
Yeah.
Wow.
Of course, I mean, with all this that is happening, nobody has adjusted for the fact that the actual number for FY25 itself will be lower. So once you adjust that lower, your number will look that much more higher, right? So you just adjust for the reality of today, that will come down. Maybe it improves in third and fourth quarter as, our consumption is also weak right now. So I think a lot of this will play through in 25, which is what I said, that this is a year where you look at your portfolio, move out of mistakes, and build a portfolio for the next few years, and you will get more clarity in the next 1 month or so as to what could emerge as a winner. So at this time, you're better off hiding in stocks where earnings are strong, despite all the turmoil that you have. So that's how I'll put it. It's very difficult to give clear vision at this time because there are times when it's hazy and you don't have clear vision. So you just tread slow at that time, and that's the point in the market where you just go very slow. Don't be in a hurry. That's it. That's all I can say.